Hey all, and let's find out why something that has to do with summertime isn't the most pleasant thing to have it happen to you during the summer. Are you ready? Then stick around until the end of this video, but not before you click subscribe and press on the notification bell icon so you never miss a video. The word I'm bringing you today is heat stroke. Heat stroke. Yes, and it's made up of these two important words. Heat, which is a noun and is the noun that comes from the adjective hot, like in it's hot today, or the heat today is killing us. Yeah? Okay, so extreme temperatures. And stroke. Yeah? Like some kind of movement, or moving your hand over the surface of something, like with a pet animal. Will you stroke the dog, please? Yeah. Or like hitting something hard. Yeah. Stroke the ball. Like in some sports, for example. Yeah. So heat stroke. And that means touch of the sun or of the heat. So that implies you staying too long in the sun in those extreme temperatures, thus leading to your body overheating and, of course, trying too hard to cool itself down. So there you have it. The explanation is quite simple, and now it's my turn to ask you, have you ever suffered from a heat stroke? So this is how you use this word correctly. Yeah, you suffer from a heat stroke, because it has happened to me, of course, this summer, but more summers ago as well. I've experienced a heat stroke because I stayed in the sun for too long, of course, and the heat was unbearable, and it just was too much for me. So yeah, so you could say I've experienced a sunstroke or a heat stroke, or I've suffered from a heat stroke. Another way to use this noun, heat stroke, might be, I think I'm going to come down with a heat stroke. So to come down with a heat stroke, which means you're not experiencing just yet, but you're about to. Yeah, you're on the way of experiencing the heat stroke. Okay? So you might be saying, I think I might want us to leave the beach because I'm going to come down with a heat stroke. So you were feeling the effects of the sun over your body, so we'd like to move away from there, right? Because I haven't told you that with the heat stroke, the symptoms of that are headaches and some dizziness. Yeah, you're feeling like not yourself. Okay. So there's some pain you may be experiencing, and some feeling of, body aching when your body aches, and your head is, not at its best because you've been exposed to the sun and to the high temperatures for too long now. So to wrap this video up, there's two things you need to know. First of all, a heat stroke is an illness caused by the body overheating, and number two, there's two verbs or phrasal verbs you can use it with, and those are you can suffer from. Remember to use this particular preposition, from, suffer from a heat stroke or experience a heat stroke. And the other one is to come down with a heat stroke, which means you are feeling like being on the way to having a heat stroke happen to you. With this said, thank you so much for making it to the end of my video. And don't forget to leave your examples down here. Thanks so much for learning with me. And I'll see you again next time as well. Bye for now.